Hello, welcome to this tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to change or edit the payment method you use for your Netflix subscription. So I'm going to show you how to do it on computer or desktop first, and then I'll show you how to do it on your phone. So here we are on the Netflix website. Just go to netflix.com and log in. Make sure you are on the profile. So if you go up here, select the drop-down menu, select the main profile or your specific profile for the account, and then go right here on the drop-down menu where you see account, tap into account or click into account there. And now you're going to see your membership options here. But if we go to quick links down below, you're going to see an option that says manage payment method. If you don't see that, you can actually go to manage membership here, and then you'll see a few things under payment info. Go to manage payment method and then click into manage payment method, and you can update by clicking on update, and then it'll basically take you like to the PayPal account wherever you're paying for it with. Or if we go back here, you can actually add a payment method. So if we go back here, you can see this is our current payment method. Go to add a payment method here. Make sure you select credit, debit card, or PayPal, however you want to pay. And then when you've added that payment method, you'll want to select the three dots here, and you'll have an option to make that your primary or to make that the main method. And then you can, once you've changed it, you can actually remove that payment method or the old one so you only have the current payment method selected. Now, if you're doing this on phone on the Netflix app over on mobile, open up the Netflix app as you see here. And then what you want to do is tap into My Netflix at the bottom there of the screen. You'll see a couple of different options here. You want to select the three lines in the upper portion of the screen. It'll allow you to go to the different settings. You want to go to Account, tap into Account there. And so once here, there'll be a link here where at the very top that says netflix.com/more. Tap into that option there, and it'll go ahead and hit continue. It'll go ahead and take you to where you can basically sign into your account, and you basically do the same exact thing. So go ahead and sign into your Netflix account here. And then once you're here, you can see that it'll actually give you the option now to go and manage your payment method, or click into your membership here where you can go to manage payment method. And you can see here that you can go and update, add a new payment method right here. Make sure you put all the information for that specified payment method. And then once you do so, back here, you'll have the option to select these three dots and either remove or add that as your primary payment method. That's how you do it on both desktop and phone. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. If it helped you out, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.